it's great because you can hit much higher returns, but the downside is you're going along for the ride. So if the property does really well, you'll do well. If it doesn't do so well, which is actually happening more frequently than we like right now in this environment, then you're going to participate in that downside as well.
So let's dive right into that exact topic, which is understanding how to make passive returns from debt. So Kevin, what is the number one secret to doing just that?
Well, I think it's important to understand the difference between equity and debt. So equity is when you're an owner of the property. If we're going to stick to real estate for this example. So it's great because you can hit much higher returns, but the downside is you're going along for the ride. So if the property does really well, you'll do well. If it doesn't do so well, which is actually happening more frequently than we like right now in this environment, then you're going to participate in that downside as well. The debt side, very stable, very steady. You don't get the big giant returns that a lot of people are chasing, so you'll have to forego that, but it's very secure and stable. The debt gets paid back first. So if there's ever a problem, that's the position you want to be in.
Got it. So we're talking about de-risking your investments and be able to have steady and stable and secure cash flow versus the ownership, which you can have more upside, but more downside. And you're seeing more deals that are coming, on the downside, right? Let's face it, the market was a bull market run for many years. So that's the number one secret. What would you say the number two secret is to understanding how to make passive returns in debt?
Well, I think you need to find the right projects to be investing in. And that's going to be equally important whether you're doing equity or debt. So on the debt side, you are in a secure position, you are in a safer position, but you still want to be working with good operators, people who know what they're doing, for example, so they can get through the project. Like everything we do is value add. So we're taking dilapidated properties and we're making them nice, whether it's commercial or residential. We're fixing and flipping, we're repositioning, we're doing conversions, like big box stores go out of business, like a Safeway, for example, and it's hard to find a new tenant for that. So we're helping our clients divide that up, so repurpose it and use it. So I think the second secret here is really making sure that you're getting into solid projects with solid operators.